as well as the 48 megapixel Fusion camera. There's a 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera for even higher resolution macro photography. And next-gen photographic styles means you can choose a style and then personalize it to your preferred aesthetic. In a massive upgrade to pro filmmaking, you can now shoot 4K resolution at 120 frames per second in Dolby Vision. So you can capture and edit cinematic slow motion. iPhone 16 Pro also comes equipped with studio quality mics, or Audio Mix gives you more control to do things like optimize for voices.
Wake the fuck up, samurai. We have a city to burn.